but I don't know what to do with my life. Why should I be alive?
It's a wake-up call.
Caregiving is as emotional as financial. There's a social aspect of it. Isolation, communities. We are becoming more and more nuclear, but are we geared up towards this? This is where stigmatization plays a role. Elder care is not healthcare. Elder care is holistic care.
According to United Nations, the number of people aged 60 plus compared to those aged 15 to 59 is projected to double by 2050.
This is a very valuable section of the society that we are talking about.
And I think there's also a little stigma attached to
Geriatrics as a field really has to catch up. Financial abuse is one of the biggest underspoken topics. The whole image of a good child is complicated. It's a problem because we have not planned for it. The whole conversations have changed around lifespan versus health span.
We always emphasize on life insurance and how an early planning is never too late.
Aging is no longer an abstract concept. Elder care as an industry is not really about just the silver economy, but it's so much to do with socialization.
What do you think is the trigger, or what is that time when families should start planning for elder care for their parents, even for themselves?
Giving a bath to a 90-year-old is very different from giving a bath to a 60-year-old. Everyone above 70 has one comorbidity or the other. 70% of elders have at least 2 comorbidities.
Aging and aging with dignity is really important. Never too early to start for your financial planning,
Blood tests हो गए, investigations हो गई, डॉक्टर के पास ले गए, ये हमारा टिक एरिया है. Lot of elders like क्या करेंगे ठीक होके? Memory is a very big aspect that gets affected, so they may not recognize their children anymore. Boredom is often a symptom is a first trigger that I don't know what to do because I really can't engage independently.
Plan for insurance, but also plan what happens after the insurance has done its bit. Thought we all have, I've planned for my retirement, I'm done.
Mindset firstly needs to change. Is that what am I saving for? Whole financial fraud angle, right? So people misleading them because trust is so fragile, with elders.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Promises का partner.